Alright, I bought 4 tins, 2 wind-ups. I've already opened them to grab the packs. I've set them aside, so I'm going to start with the Storm of Ragnaroks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Sorry about that. And yeah, see what we get. Rare Musakani Megatama and a super Tangraziner of Nordic Beast. It's not too bad. Number 2, Hope for the Escape Rare. Sheehan's Daredevil Rare. Foolish Return Rare, and a super legendary 6 Samurai Kizan. I think that's how you say it. That's not too bad. A rare Doppel Warrior. Rare, another one. Megatama. Oh, this is a little bit trickier for some reason. A rare Stardust Phantom. And the last one. A rare Sheehan Smoke Signal. Nothing too great there. Let's go to the 4 Extreme Victories. First one. Resonator Call, rare. Upside down ones. Alright. TG Recepto Dragonfly. I just bought that for 50 cents, so I guess that's pretty sweet. Now I got 2. Rare Blackwing Jin the Rain Shadow, and Super TG Cyber Magician. That's pretty sweet. I've never seen that before. And the last one. Fuck. Open. A rare Salvage Warrior, and a Super TG Power Gladiator. Not too bad, not too bad. I was digging those. And now for the 8 Trishula packs in Arsenal 4s. First one, a Gen X Ally Reviver. Why are these packs so hard to open? There we go. Dragoonie Primus Pilus. That's kind of a crappy one. Oh. Jedi Alex Triforce. Once again, not very good. but it is an arsenal. What are the chances of getting something good? Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Fucking Trishula! Holy shit! Woo! Guess I gotta cancel my order. Fucking right. I don't even have to open the rest of the fucking packs. I just pulled a fucking Trishula. Holy shit! Oh yeah, those are probably gonna be blurred out, beeped out, because that's pretty inappropriate of me. Holy, oh fuck, I didn't want to open another pack. Yes! Oh my god, another Gen X, I don't even care. Fuck. Oh my god. Naturia, White Oak. Ah. Holy fuck, man. Today is my birthday. Fabled Area. Maybe I can pull 2 Trishulas. What are the chances of that? That would be pimp. Nope. Another Primus Peerless. Holy crap. Anyway, you seen it here. Rate, subscribe. And in my opinion, buy these goddamn boxes if you're in Canada. Holy shit.